Okay, kids. This is Sam, and Sam has a dog. His dog's name is Samson. Samson. Very good. So it's a sunny morning. When the weather is sunny outside, how does it look like? You will see the sun. So it's a sunny morning, and Sam has taken his dog Samson for a walk to the pond. You know a pond, right? This is a pond, so they are going for a walk in the pond. So when they got there, they saw a bird, a black bird on the nurse. They saw fishes swimming in the pond. They also saw a red and yellow caterpillar at the pond. While at the pond, Samson, this is Samson, he left Sam and went to walk around. Then he got a stick. A stick. Can you see the stick? He threw the stick, and he came and gave the stick to Sam, and Sam threw back the stick to Samson. When he threw the stick fell somewhere in the grass. So Samson ran to look for the stick. Upon looking for the stick in the grass, Samson saw something, and he started barking. Woof, woof, woof. You know how the dog barks, right? And when Sam heard Samson barking, he went to find out what had happened to Samson. When he got there, do you know what he found? He saw something hissing in the grass. It was hissing and taking up its head and doing and that was a spotty snake. Oh, I'm so scared of snakes. Where can we find snakes? We can find snakes in deserts. Okay? So when Sam saw the spotty snake, Sam took Samson and the boat left. So the sound we are going to learn today in Jolly Phonics, we do only the sounds. We don't say the name of the letter. Okay? We say only the sound with the action. What do? We say the sound with the action. So the sound we are going to learn today is S. Can you see the snake? How does a snake look like? Can you see it? It goes like this. Now do it with me. S. Again. Very good. Can you do it one more time? Can you try to weave your hand? Weave your hand. Like a snake. And when you weave your hand, that's the action you're doing, and you're saying the sound. Very good. So, can you see? This is the sound. Every time you see this, what do we say? It begins like a caterpillar. That's why we'll be doing the caterpillar formation. Caterpillar and around. Very good.